Good morning, students. How are you all? We are meeting after so long time of a long gap of Diwali vacation. I hope you are safe and sound with your family members in the Diwali vacation, and you are eager to come to school because our circular of the reopening of the school has come, and as per that, since Monday we are waiting for your arrival in the school campus so that we can start our physical teaching, face-to-face teaching, and you would be eager to study further the content of the second term of English syllabus. So today we are going to do warming up. Before that, I want to convince you that you should be safe and sound and relaxed to attend the school, because our campus, you know very well, it is far away from the city or the hustle and bustle of any crowded area. So because of that, we have very less chances that you should have any kind of tension about the corona. And as per the government guidelines, we have sanitized all the rooms, washrooms and the campus with the fogger machine, okay, that has disinfected all the school rooms and the campus recently. Apart from that, we have also conducted the COVID-19 rapid antigen test of all the school teachers and non-teaching staff also. More than 23 staff members are being tested in the primary health center, and not a single teacher is found positive. So we all are safe. They all are having negative reports. So teachers are safe, campus is safe, and we are eagerly waiting for you that you should come and enjoy the school campus. We also made arrangement of proper social distancing while attending the school, while roaming in the school campus. We have made the signs and symbols while drinking water, going to washroom at safe distances. Even in the school, also you will be having the proper safe distance to sit on different desks far away from each other. So there is no any kind of tension that you would be attending the school. We also made arrangement of the thermal scanner gun, which is a contactless, which will check your thermometer temperature as soon as you arrive and as soon as you leave the school also. Both the time we will be checking your temperature. At the same time, we are also checking your oximeter level, means oxygen level in the blood with oximeter. That also has been arranged in a school. You don't have any tension when you enter the school and when you leave the school. Both the time we will be checking your temperature as well as oxygen level, and as per that only we take the entry in the campus of every person. Only one thing you have to do, that while coming to the college or school, you should bring the parents consent form, okay. So that is format is being sent. Take out the xerox and fill the details and take the parent signature and your signature. Then you can attend the school. So until that, we will be continuing with our online education. So today the second terms English unit 3.1 we are going to start. So today we are going to do warming up of the unit 3.1. So let us see what is there in this. Imagine that your class has been divided into groups or houses. If you see in some of the schools and the colleges, the students are divided into four groups. Even in our school also we have divided the students into four houses: red house, green house, Prithvi, Agni, Nak, Trishul, etc. That you know, Akash. So same way you have to divide your class into four. Imagine that our class is having large number of students. Then how will you divide that class students into four different groups? Now you have all the possible freedom to divide your class into which categories you wish. Okay, there is no any hard and fast rule that you should take the name of this or that. So you can choose the name of any color. About four colors you can give the name. Even you can choose the symbol or emblem for your class. You can also choose the motto. Motto means a short sentence, short but sweet sentence for your group. And even you can also choose a dress code for your group also, no problem. A common room with objects of interest and suitable furniture also. For example, see one example I will give you here. Suppose you are making the group, then your group's name is Neem. You know neem tree, it is medicinal tree, and we use the leaves of that, which is bitter in taste, but that is having very good medicinal value. So we eat the leaves of that neem tree on the Gudi Padwa, Hindu festival day. Even every day some of the people in the villages, they chew the branches of that neem to make their teeth stronger, to avoid to the decay. So the name is, suppose your group name, then you can use the favorite color of your group, yellow color. Suppose you like yellow, if you like red, then red. Or a symbol, what is the symbol of your group? Suppose you like sun is the source of energy of this earth. The sun is the symbol of your group. Even you can take the motto. Motto means a short sentence: health is wealth. Means you want to give the message that we should be healthy, and we are healthy, and that is the real wealth. Then health is wealth is your motto. Even you can decide your dress code for your group. Dress code is yellow vest, belt. Everybody will wear yellow color belt. That will be your yellow color, or the name group we can call it. So in this way you can choose any group name for your group. There is no hard and fast rule that you should take only trees name. You can take any animals name also. You can take any freedom fighters name. Take the name of any important river, mountain ranges, or anything you wish, okay, under the sky. So do this exercise. Even below they have given you one table. Let us see what the table gives. It is also kind of a categories given here. Suppose metals you are choosing, then you can choose still as one name of metal for your group. You may choose copper, you may choose silver, or even you can choose gold also. Gold for the golden people. Suppose you are taking flowers, then which flowers name you will take? Tulip, rose, hibiscus, okay. So champa, whatever flowers you like, that you can write here group name. Suppose stars and galaxies names you want to choose. The sun you can choose, or Milky Way is a galaxy. So find out some other names of stars and galaxies in the universe. Trees, we have many options of trees: neem, banyan, gulmohar, ashoka tree, mango tree, okay, which you may like. Coconut also is there. We can use each and every part of coconut tree. Coconut also trees. And last one is seasons. So find out the names of seasons: rainy, winter, summer, okay, autumn season, fall season, what you like. Write the name of the season also for your group. So make this table completed and fill in the blanks and write down in a notebook. Now below there is one more exercise given to you. Before we start with the actual poem, read the lines of the poem and guess and fill in suitable words to make the lines rhyme with each other. Now you know rhyming words means the last word of the second and or last word of any two lines, if they have same sound, then that is called as rhyming. For example, play and gay and bay, G-A-Y gay and B-A-Y bay, okay, or cot and bot, both are having the same sound or kind of pronunciation, that is called as rhyming words. So you are going to fill in the blanks in the last places of each line two words which will rhyme. You can choose any word which you feel. Let us try. First line is: soon after the dawn rises the sun. It wakes and enlivens every one. Yes or no? Soon after the dawn. Dawn means early period of the morning, early morning, when there is no sun shining in the sky and it is not completely dark. That period is called the dawn. In Marathi we call pahat. So soon after the dawn rises the sun. Sun rises. It wakes and enlivens everyone. Everyone. Sun and one are rhyming words. Same way, it scares away the long dark night. The shining stars go out of sight. Night and sight. So this is my understanding. You can choose any other word instead of that also. There is no rule that you should use my only night and sight word. Or from tree to tree birds flit and sing, searching for food with a sharp sting. Okay, birds are having sting. With that they are singing and finding, they are searching their food. Or the birds that open now show their what? Find out. And its flowers they dance with beauty and whatever. So find out. Now I have given you first six words, first six lines, last words, rhyming words to complete this poem. Now you have to find out the further by your own. Okay. So think use the dictionary also, no problem. Find out the words, find out the first word, and then find out which are the words rhyming with that word and which will match with the meaning of the line given there. Okay, so hope you will enjoy this activity, and when you will complete this activity, send me the photo and send my personal WhatsApp number, and then tomorrow we will be starting with the actual code. Okay, hope you have enjoyed today, and tomorrow we will be starting with the unit 3.1, the poem Silver. Till that time, thank you so much for giving me valuable time. God bless, and get ready to join the school very soon.